Welcome to Taliup Invoicing, a simple, professional way to bill your customers and stay in control of your cash flow. From one screen, view all your invoices and their status. Instantly see what's in draft, what's been sent, what's overdue, and what's already been paid. Creating an invoice is quick and flexible. Add or select a client on the fly, set dates, and customize invoice numbers to match your workflow. Add products or services directly from your inventory. Apply discounts before or after tax, add service or delivery fees, include a link to pay online, and preview the invoice as you build it. Once sent, manage everything from a clean side panel view. Review invoice details, track the activity timeline, resend invoices, record payments made outside the system. Take quick actions to view or resend invoices, issue refunds when needed, or delete invoices you no longer need, all while keeping records accurate and organized. Create invoices effortlessly from the Taliup mobile app. Choose a client, invoice number, and location, add products or services, and send the invoice instantly by email or text message. Taliup Invoicing helps you bill faster, stay organized, and present a professional experience, so you get paid on time, every time.